Here is the 2019 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive EXL. You will have LED daytime running lights. This vehicle is also equipped with fog lights. Keyless entry, power window, door locks, and mirrors. You also have a variety of steering wheel controls to answer your phone calls, voice commands, as well as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. All features of the Honda Sensing Suite. You'll have your smartphone connection to be able to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Dual climate control, Econ mode, brake hold, electronic parking brake, power outlet, and here you'll find additional USB and power outlet. The sunglass holder includes a mirror to keep an eye on the back seat. (60/40) split on the rear fold down seats. All-weather cargo mat in the back, as well as the front and passenger and in the cargo space. A capless fuel filler. Power lift gate. Here's your all-weather cargo tray. Spare tire and tool set. An easy push button to close the cargo door. This is the 2019 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive EXL.